That's why I love binary options. And yeah, my friends, $6,000, 11,000. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Now we are ready to start. First of all, let's set indicators. First one, I would like to choose Donian channel indicator. Now I'm setting it. Just give me a few seconds and I will do this. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. What do you think I will choose? Just give me several seconds and I will decide. This will be MACD indicator. Okay, so let's trade the first currency pair. This is USD EGP. As you see, we have opened our first trade. This is sell position because we had short-term upgoing correction and we're moving in the long-term downgoing channel. Moreover, according to the Donian channel indicator, we have touched the middle line of the Donian channel, which is acting like resistance level, and after this we are receiving a good pullback reaction towards at least the bottom line of the Donian channel. And now we have shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle and we are going to bottom line of the Donian channel. So this will be highly likely done. By the way, I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade and I use only a short time period of just 1 minute in order to save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So that's it. Our first trade was profitable one. We have around $150 on the account. This is quite good. This is quite nice. So first of all, let's change our investment. I have put $135 and I have already opened one more sell position. As you can see, we're moving in the downgoing channel. Once again, we have touched the middle line of the Donian channel, after what I'm expecting to receive a very good pullback reaction. And now we're going to show the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. And if we do this, then we will continue falling significantly towards at least the bottom line of the Donian channel indicator. So that's it. As you see, buyers don't have enough power to break through the middle line of the Donian channel. Together with this, as I told you, we're moving in the downgoing channel. This is not only the middle line of the Donian channel, but it also acts like the trend line of the downgoing channel, and this is also a very strong resistance level because we have two options. The first one is that this line is the trend line, the second one is because this is middle line of the Donian channel. So this trade was closed with profits. We have around $250. This is quite nice. This is really good, and we can proceed to the next trade. That's it. Okay, let's change our investment to $260. As you can see, we have broken through the upper edge of the Donian channel, and now we are ready to receive the correction, the pullback reaction from this resistance line. That's why we have opened the sell position, investing our $260. We have already shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, which is giving us certainty that we will highly likely drop right now, continue dropping more and more. Now let's just see what will we have next. For now, as you can see, sellers were stopped and this consumption failed. It was destroyed totally. However, all in all, we don't have enough power to break through this resistance level, and sellers continue to push price lower and lower, and yeah, finally we did it. We have shown the bearish consumption. Together with this, we have made the new local low. This is very important. So that's why we can be sure the price will continue dropping, and anyway we're in profit. We got our cash from this trade, so I was absolutely right. We received a very good pullback reaction, and as you can see, price continued dropping more and more because we have finally shown the bearish consumption. Everything is very good. We have around $300 in the account. This is very nice. Give me several seconds. Let's choose USD BDT. We have invested $500 in this trade. We have opened buy position. Why did we do this? First of all, because we have broken through the middle line of the Donian channel, and according to this fact, we can be sure that we will continue growing towards at least the upper edge of the Donian channel. And if we break through it, then we will continue growing more and more, and this will be really significantly. So that's why we have opened buy position. Here expecting the breakthrough of the middle line of the Donchian channel and continuation of the current growth towards at least the upper edge of the Donchian channel. And we have invested here around $500. By the way, my friends, we have already multiplied our balance just from around $100 to $500, so 5 times more, and we have just spent for that purpose only 5 minutes. So just look at these 5 minutes and we have turned $100 into $500. That's crazy. That's why I love binary options, because you can just spend 5 minutes and get $500 from $100, and this is crazy. And moreover, we'll continue doing more and more and more and more and get much more money on our account today. So let's just focus on our work. So as you can see, now we have around $900. Now we have around $900 in the account, and we continue pumping this deposit. We continue fucking this market. So let's change our investment to $939. I have opened buy position right now. You can clearly see this. Why did I do this? Because we touched the middle line of the Donchian channel and we started receiving the pullback reaction from the zone. We have very good growth. Price is growing. And we're now ready to break through the upper edge of the Donchian channel and continue growing significantly. This is really nice. Yep, my friends, all in all, we're in profits. We have around $1,700 on the account, around $1,800, and this is fucking crazy because you just see this, just look at this. Okay, guys, now let's change our investment to $1,800 and open one more trade. So as you can see, we have opened sell position because price is moving in the upgoing channel. We have touched the upper edge of the Donchian channel, and now we're highly likely to drop. We're highly likely to drop, and we will do this anyway, I'm sure. See, I guess this is false breakout. We don't have buyers, don't have enough power to continue growing, so that's why I really expect the pullback reaction from this resistance line zone and continuation of the current drop. So I think we will show the bearish consumption of the current or the previous bullish candle. All we need right now is to just touch the middle line of the Donchian channel or even break through it, and if we succeed to do this, then we will continue dropping more and more. By the way, my friends, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open description to this video. And yes, we got our cash and we have around $2,500. Now don't forget to check the description to this video, find amazing and cool link for my private TG, subscribe to it immediately and get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and moreover to the free trading signals, daily analytics and statistics and strategies that will help you to become professional trader just as me, like Michael Trader. All you need for this is just to subscribe to my private TG, link in the description, write me a message that you want to become a VIP member. I will automatically add you to my VIP channel for free. So do this right now, don't be loser, be trader, and subscribe to my private TG, link in the description to this video. We proceeded to the next trade. We're trading USD EJP currency pair, and we have opened one more sell position, investing $3,000. As you can see, once again, we have touched the upper edge of the Donchian channel, which is acting like the resistance line zone, and we are receiving a very good pullback reaction. I guess we will drop at least the middle line of the Donchian channel. Anyway we will drop, and anyway we will be in profit. So I'm absolutely sure in this, because previous previous candle closed with pin bar candle pattern means that buyers failed to show us a good growth, and now we're highly likely to drop, and we are showing this. We have just touched the middle line of the Donchian channel, and we're highly likely to continue growing, or we're highly likely to continue falling. And that's it, my friends. We got our cash from this trade. We have around $6,000, my friends, $6,000 in my account. We started with just $100. We started with this 100, and we have already turned this money into $6,000, my friends. $6,000 just from $100. What a crazy trading session I have today. So let's change our investment once again to the $3,000. 3,000 bucks put in, and now we have opened one more sell position. We have the same kind of situation like in the previous trade. We're moving in the upgoing channel. Price has hit the upper edge of the Donchian channel, and after this we started receiving pullback reaction. Now we are trying to show the false breakout, and sure, it's one more false breakout, and now price will get back to the current channel and will show us a pullback reaction from the resistance line zone, and at least we will drop towards the middle line of the Donchian channel. I don't worry at all. We have already seen the same kind of situation 3 times today, and now it's the first time when we are ready to get our cash from this trade. So let's just observe the situation and see whether I'm right, and I'm sure I am. And yep, our trade was closed, even if price did not fall. All in all, we're in profits, everything is nice, don't worry about the shit. Okay, we had around $6,000. Now let's continue. We have invested 3,000 bucks in this trade. You can clearly see this. We have opened sell position because we're standing. We're touching the strong resistance level. You can clearly see that we have already touched this resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times we have touched this resistance level, guys, and it's the 11th time when we're touching it. And of course we can be absolutely sure, according to the master bounce strategy, you can check this strategy in my videos on YouTube. According to the master bounce strategy, we will highly likely drop right now. So let's see whether I'm right. And yep, guys, we did it. Guys, we did it. We have around $9,000 on the account. 9,000 bucks on our account. This is crazy, my friends. We have already turned 100 bucks into 9,000. Now we have invested 2,000 bucks. In this trade. We have opened buy position because price has touched the bottom line of the Donchian channel. Moreover, we have broken through the middle line of the Donchian channel. We are receiving a very good pullback reaction from the, first of all, support line zone, secondly from the bottom line of the Donchian channel, and thirdly we have broken through the middle line of the Donchian channel. And together with this, let's pay attention to the MACD indicator. You can clearly see that green line is going to cross the red one, and the MACD is showing us that price is in the buy zone right now. And all we need to do is just open buy position and relax, guys. That's all we need to do. That's all we need to do, my friends. And yeah, guys, we did it. One more profitable trade. Around $11,000 in my account. What a crazy trading session I had today. So guys, if you want to have the same results, if you want to trade like a pro, don't waste your time. Subscribe to my private DJ. Do this right now. Be with me and be the best version of yourself. Thank you for your attention, my friends. Have a nice and profitable day. See you all, and bye bye.